Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I cover my life, how I'm tackling debt while prioritizing self-care. Today is the 17th day of DEBTMAS and today is Thirsty Thursday, my ultimate favorite. Today we will be making a gingerbread eggnog. If you're interested in that holiday inspired cocktail, then stay tuned. You'll need 2 ounces of Kahlua, 2 tablespoons of molasses, and then a fork and some additional molasses for drizzling. 2 ounces of Grey Goose vodka, 2 ounces of eggnog, 1 teaspoon of equal parts sugar and cinnamon. You'll also need a rubber spatula because the molasses is pretty thick. A shaker and a serving glass of your choosing. Your whipped topping of choice. In your shaker, add some ice. So the first thing that I'm gonna pour in is the Kahlua. It's 2 ounces. Going in with the vodka now, which is also 2 ounces. 2 ounces of eggnog. And 2 tablespoons of molasses. So you'll want to put your shaker on, make sure that it's on tight, and give that drink a shake. Now you want to wet the rim of your glass with a napkin. I know we've been using lime, but this is obviously not a sweet drink, so we don't want to use lime. Then you want to turn that over in your cinnamon sugar. Cinnamon is naturally sticky, so it's going to help it stick to the glass. So I went with a smaller glass just because the one that I originally poured into was way too big. And top this. Now you want to get some molasses on top. And just to top it off, I'm going to add a praline wafer. So let's get into the taste test. Cheers! The molasses is very messy, so I would recommend reducing the amount of molasses, but overall it's a pretty good drink. It's very strong, so if you're into a little bit more of a stronger drink, this is definitely the drink for you. If you decide to make this holiday inspired cocktail, be sure to tag me at The Life of Co and hashtag 25 days of DEBTMAS. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.